Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw $1 from Bitget. Okay, so to withdraw a small amount like $1 from Bitget, well, the most viable method is converting the asset to a stable coin like USDT, okay, or it could be USDC. And once you have converted your asset to USDT, just for example, well, you can go ahead and use peer-to-peer trading to get your money. Okay, so to explain that, for example, you have Bitcoin. You may want to convert it to USDT. Okay, go ahead over to trade right here. Click on convert and block trade. Select BTC from, okay, BTC or even XRP and convert it to what? USDT. Okay, click on USDT. Enter the amount of XRP that you wanted to convert. For example, 1.4 XRP. It'll be converted to this amount of USDT. Okay, so convert that, and once done, go ahead over to buy crypto P2P trading. Okay, let's say you now have your 1 USD or 1 USDT. Well, make sure that you click on sell. What? USDT. What amount? 1 USD. And then make sure that you have at least one of these payment methods. Okay, let's say you have Skrill. So this guy right here is willing to pay or is willing to buy this amount, okay? 1 USD. 1 USD to 700 USD or 1 USD to 1,144. So if you have Skrill right here, click on sell, follow simple prompts, enter the $1 amount, enter the amount, which is $1. And of course, there will be some fees, all right? So do keep that in mind. There will be some fees depending on the payment method. So just basically follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll receive the amount that's left. Okay, and if you want to take the crypto to another wallet, well, you will have gas fees as well, which might exceed to $1. Okay, so just do keep that in mind. And that's how you withdraw $1 from Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.